Okay, here's a video of what I would call refrigerator row in Lowe's. These are the refrigerators that will fit that space. That space is about 32 inches wide, and these refrigerators are about 30 inches wide. And they open, the hinges on the right side, so they open on the left, like so. I think that's the way your refrigerator is set up right now. And so we're going to look at these in terms of real quick model and price. This one is $679. Here's one by Frigidaire. The height on this one is about 60 something inches, about 66 inches. I'll zoom in closer on this tag, and that's the information on it. And again, that's Frigidaire. Next to it is a Whirlpool. Regular $99.99. That special value at $729. That's the information on it. Whirlpool. Just the freezer part. Refrigerator. Next we have in white, we have an LG. And the information on it is optional ice maker. Reverse door lighting, whatever that means. And supposed to be available in these finishes. That's the inside. This one is also about 66 inches, so I think this is a little shorter than the one you have. This is LG. Now this one is $7.99. I don't know if it's because of the finish or what. Again, this is the information on it. And you probably want to match appliances. So if you get an LG refrigerator, you probably want an LG dishwasher. The next model is a Frigidaire. That's the inside. Fingerprint resistant finish. Oh, that's real nice. Optional ice maker. Get $50 for recycling your old refrigerator or freezer. And the next one is it's a little taller. This is a Frigidaire, a white Frigidaire. Here's the specs on it. And that's how it looks on the inside. All right, the next one is shorter. I don't think I'm gonna mess with these next one. Oh, what's this one? Oh, I think that design looks strange. I don't think you want that one. I think it's wider than 32 inches also. Anyway, there was another one around here. Let me see. Thought I saw another one around the corner that might have fit. This one might be within your range. I don't know if you want that. I don't know who makes it. You gotta find out who makes it. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it. I did not see a dishwasher that matched that, but anyway, here's the specs on it. 2-year double warranty. Open it up. This is the refrigerator part. And you slide out the freezer. I will see if there's a dishwasher made by the same company.